Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze the market, and today I will explain how to trade on support and resistance level. I will show you clearly this is a resistance level, okay? Now this is support level, and this present market is resistance level. So, and this is a downtrend market. I will place a layer option. I am expecting to make a bearish candle. Why? Because this is a seller's area and this is a downtrend market. And you can see previous candle make a rejection. Okay, so that's why reason I place a layer option. There is a simple thing. Okay, but you can observe also candle psychology at this resistance level. After you can take the place a trade. Okay, this evening trade have checked the next pair, and major trend is uptrend market, minor trend is downtrend market, and this also USD SGD. Okay, same pair. Okay, no problem. Now this is strong selling pressure. Okay, little bit late entry. I will place a layer option. Let's say I'm expecting this candle closing point below my entry point. Why? Because next buyer's entry point at here. Okay, this is seller's entry point, and this is selling signal at the seller's area, and next candle also make a bearish candle. Why? Because this is a downtrend market. You can see this is a market direction. Now next resistance level at here, next support level at here. Okay, and that's why reason I place a layer option. Already some sellers enter sellers area. Okay, there is no choice to enter the buyers. Okay, why? Because this is not a uptrend market, this is a downtrend market. So many times sellers enter the market. Okay, that is simple. And next pair we'll check, and okay, this is some ranging market. Let's see how check the support and resistance level. Okay, actually this is a market momentum. Now this is seller's area and this is a buyer's area. Okay, first time it's break the buyers, you can see. Okay, it's break the buyer's entry, seller's entry, still candle closing at the level. I will try to place a layer option. Why? Because there is a seller's area. Okay, let's see. Okay, already some seller's entry. Okay, I'll place a layer option. Still some sellers are very strong selling force. You can see very strong rejection. This is a good sign of continuation the market, and this is a buyer's entry point, next buyer's entry point at here, and this is a seller's entry point. Okay, but I'm expecting to make a bearish candle. So sometimes are maybe this buyers enter the market, it change the direction, and next candle also make a bullish candle. Okay, and this is a market direction. You can see there is no seller's entry after this bearish candle, so I'm expecting make a another bullish candle. Why? Because it's break out the level. Okay, you can see again break out the level. Okay, I'm expecting make another bullish candle. There is a gap down. Okay, there is no chance. Okay, I'll place a little bit late entry, very fast momentum. Okay, maybe its candle make a very big candle. Previous candle also very strong big candles, so I'm expecting this candle also I'm expecting make a big candle. So after this seller's area there is no seller's entry. I'm expecting make a seller's entry after this bearish momentum, but there is no sellers interested at the market. After this green candle, it's giving a signal of some buyers interested at the market. So that's the reason I'm expecting make a bullish candle. Okay, next support level at here. Now this is a support level, this level to shifting at this level. Okay, now after support level at this level or this level, it's going to more up, make a uptrend market. Okay, and have checked the next pair, and this uptrend market, minor trend is uptrend market. Let's see support and resistance levels. There is a support level, now there is a support level, there is a resistance level. Okay, okay, this is support and resistance level. Okay, let's check the direction with support and resistance level. Actually this is a direction, right, and this is a direction. So this candle enter the sellers area. Now I am expecting to make a bearish candle. Let's see, and this is a sellers area, this is a buyers area, and this candle complete closing at the sellers area. That's why reason I place a lower option. Okay, and this also breakout candle. Let's see, but sometimes are this market momentum, so we are expecting make a bearish candle after breakout and sellers area, but sometime this candle behavior touch and rejection and fast momentum, it's make a sometime bullish candle, so that's time you can lose of amount. Okay, but most of the time it's make a bearish candle only, and sellers area, this is a buyers area, so you can enter the only sellers entry point. Okay, this is also winning trade. Have check the next pair, and major trend is downtrend market. This is a support area after breakout, but fast history, there is this is a buyers area. You can see this is a support level. After breakout it's make a retracement, but there is no past history and there is a buyer rejection. Let's try to check the support and resistance level. There is a sellers area. Now there is no clarify the buyers and sellers entry. Okay, this is a very strong candle, but I don't know expected there is a very strong momentum. Sometimes are it's continue the buyers, sometimes are going to more down. It's a 50-50 chances. Why? Because sellers are very strong, this buying candle also very strong, but this is a minor level. After this candle I will predict the next candle. Let's try. And this is also not strong level. Remove this candle, but we are analyzing only this level to this level. Okay, and this level to or this level, but this is not a perfect level. Let's see. Now this is a gap down candle. I'm expecting make a bearish candle, but this is a gap down opening. Sometimes are covering this gap, it's make a bullish candle. Sometimes are rejected, make a bearish candle. So two scenario apply this market. This candle there is no opening the gap down. I'll try to place a lower option, but still it's going to down. This OTC market is it's make a confusions. Let's see, and this is sellers area, this is a buyers area. Okay, sellers area it's make a weak candle, but I don't know. Again this candle opening point at the gap up, but major trend is a downtrend market, and sellers area it make a doji candle, you can see. So that's why reason I place seller option. Okay, it's going down. So don't go to against the momentum, and identify the first sellers area and buyers area, and observe the candle behavior. Okay, so after you can place a trade. So this psychology I will explain my Zoom classes. If you are interested, contact on my Zoom classes. Contact details are in this video description below. You can see this. Okay, no problem. I will place a 5 trades. All are winning trades. Okay, I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, join my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.